What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on Dirthead. So today I wanted to go over the top 3 lift kits. In my opinion, the top 3 best lift kits you can get for your Jeep Wrangler JK or JKU. I'm just gonna go by brand here, so not by specific lift heights or anything like that. But let's get this going, guys. Top 3 lift kits for your JK. All right, guys, so number 1 on my list, and this is crazy because this is a lift kit that I literally just tried for the first time a couple weeks ago, and that is going to be the Metal Cloak lift kit. So I'm extremely impressed by these coils. They have changed the ride completely. It rides amazing on road. And again, if you hadn't saw the previous video, I just installed 4.5-inch lift coils from Metal Cloak on my Jeep. So the ride is fantastic. I'm very happy with the dual rate here. Very, very happy with this because look at all this bound up coil here, and when I was installing these you could see just how long they are. So I'm gonna have so much articulation once I actually take these off road. So I already know these are gonna perform very well. These are tried and true by a lot of different Jeepers. They have a very big following, Metal Cloak. So I'm very happy with that, very happy with the dual rate. They ride great on road. So I'm very, very impressed with the ride on road. And then off-road, I'm sure they'll be great as well, especially with how much articulation I'm going to get. So Metal Cloak is definitely number 1 as far as quality, ride, on-road and off-road. So that's number 1, guys. All right, and going on to number 2. Number 2, I would have to say, is Rock Crawler. Now, I ran Rock Crawler on my last Jeep, my 2-door. I had their 2.5-inch adventure lift. And I'll say the components are built extremely well. I'm still running the Rock Crawler lower control arms on the front of my Jeep, and I'm very impressed with those. I love those control arms. Their coils do ride great. I have heard some things about their coils sagging a little bit over time. I didn't have that issue. I also did not have the dual rate on my last Jeep, so I just had the regular 2.5-inch coils, so they were not dual rate. But I was very impressed with the ride quality on Rock Crawler. I would say if you're looking for a good ride as well as flex, they're right up there with Metal Cloak. So Rock Crawler would definitely come in number 2. Again, I do have experience with Rock Crawler, so I would say a very quality lift kit for the price especially. And they're also very full lift kits, just like Metal Cloak. So they don't include, they're not missing components on most of their lift kits like a lot of other brands like Rough Country, that type of stuff. So they're gonna include everything. It's gonna be quality parts, and it's gonna ride great on and off road. You're gonna get some really good articulation with Rock Crawler as well. So Rock Crawler definitely comes in number 2. All right, guys, and number 3, I have not personally ran this lift kit, but I've rode in Jeeps that do have this lift kit, and I was actually really impressed with this, and that is the Evo lift kits, Evo Manufacturing. So I love Evo Manufacturing. I love everything they've done in the off-road industry with the JK experience, the JL experience, all that stuff. Mel Wade is an absolute pioneer of the off-road industry. I absolutely love Mel Wade and everything he's done for the industry. So I love Evo. Their brand itself produces some really quality lift kits. So if you're looking for something that's quality, definitely go with Evo. They also have really good articulation off-road. One complaint I have heard about their lift kits, the plush ride especially, is how much they sag. So if you're running a lot of weight on your rig, Evo's probably not your best option. If you're going to do Evo, I would add in the pucks at the top to account for extra weight. So Evo, again, you can't really go wrong with Evo products, and their lift kits ride great. I know one of the other YouTubers, he doesn't have a Jeep anymore, but David, I think it's Van Voris, correct me if I'm wrong. You can look him up on YouTube. He ran the Evo lift kit and absolutely praised it. So a lot of people swear by the Evo lift kits. I was very impressed with the ride quality of my friend's Jeep I rode in. So Evo comes in at number 3, guys. A great quality lift kit if you're looking for something that's going to ride great on and off road. And this is a very a very broad rating of my top 3 because there's so many different types of lift kits you can go with. You can do coilovers, you could do coils, you could do the different lift heights. I mean, you can go on and on. Long arm, short arm, mid arm, all that good stuff. So this is just a broad rating of my top 3, the 3 that I would swear by if I was gonna get a brand new Jeep and redo all of this. Again, I have the medical coils right now. I'm extremely impressed with them, with how great they ride on road, as well as just the quality of the coils themselves. They are built very well. I've read nothing but great things about them. So very impressed with Metal Cloak as a company, as well as their quality products. So that's the first brand I would go with. But again, these are my top 3. Any 3 of these would do great on a Jeep. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I know this one was kind of a short one, not a whole lot of footage or anything like that, but I get a lot of questions on it, so it's definitely something I wanted to cover in one of my videos. Again, I'm very happy with both the Metal Cloak and the Rock Color lifts that I have ran. So if you're gonna run any 3 of these brands, you're not gonna have any trouble. They have great customer service and great products. So can't go wrong with any 3, guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any questions or anything like that, drop them down below. Please like and subscribe for more off-road and Jeep content, guys. Again, thanks for watching.